Introducing the Tohnichi 3TME20CN1 torque tester, a cutting-edge digital torque meter designed to provide precise and reliable torque measurements for various applications. Engineered by Tohnichi, this advanced torque tester combines exceptional accuracy with user-friendly features, making it an indispensable tool for quality control and testing professionals. With a torque range of 0.02 Newton meters, the 3TME20CN1 torque tester delivers precise and accurate measurements, ensuring consistent quality control in your assembly processes. The large, easy-to-read digital display provides clear and accurate torque readings, minimizing errors and enhancing user convenience. The peak hold function captures and displays the maximum torque value, allowing for easy reference and analysis of test results. The 3TME20CN1 torque tester can store up to 99 measured data points, enabling convenient data management and analysis for quality control purposes. With its compact and lightweight design, the 3TME20CN1 torque tester is portable and easy to use, making it an ideal tool for both in-house and field testing. Trust in the expertise of Tohnichi and elevate your torque testing capabilities with the 3TME20CN1 torque tester.